Welcome back, my fellow artistic sufferers. Today, we are tackling the terrifying, soul crushing world of manga character design. Let's be completely honest for a second. Look at your main character. If you shaved their head and took away their spiky hair, would they just disappear into the background? Would they look like a generic potato? If the answer is yes, congratulations, you failed. Don't panic though. I used to do the exact same things. Today, I am going to show you the three rules of character design that will trick people into thinking you are a professional mangaka, even if you still struggle with drawing the second eye. Rule 1: The Silhouette Test. Every popular manga character, whether it is Goku, Gojo, anyone, they have one thing in common. To know what it is, here is a question. Who is this character? Now comment down below. Your time starts now. I know you have recognized him correctly. He is our favorite Goku. You can recognize their shadows from a mile away. When you start sketching, stop drawing the eyeballs first. I see you doing it. Stop it. Start with big, basic shapes. Make a character in such a way that it is distinct from others. You can use basic shapes like triangles, which mean danger or speed, squares, which means sturdy and reliable, or circles, which means soft, friendly, and cute. The design can also depend on the emotion and the age of the character. If their shadow looks like a boring block, throw it in the trash. Rule 2: The curse of over designing. Now let's talk about the biggest trap for beginner artists: over designing. I know you want to make your character look good, so you give him a pair of goggles, a spear, and a jacket would look more better, and a jacket on top of it, a clean pant, etc. etc. Some tattoos, mighty tattoos. Do you really want to make a 24 layer zipper again and again and again? This would make your mind crumble into pieces. Instead of doing that, we could only choose one thing, which is known as rule of one. Pick one hyper specific lower heavy accessory, a specific facial scar, a weirdly wrapped scarf, a single mismatched earring. Let that one item tell a story and keep the rest of the design cool. Like, I have made the eyes different, which conveys my plot and story. I have also headband, which is also explaining my story. Now, here is a gift for my subscribers. Now, if you like this gift, you can just please subscribe to my channel. Then you have to save the QR code which I displayed. Now you have to go to ibis paint and then select brushes or pen, whichever you would say, and then you have to select the three dot icon on top right corner and provide it the image. Now you would have draw with me pen control ink liner, which is a custom pen which is being used by myself to make my manga, and you would also have access to it. Please also on this stabilizer so that there would no jitter and you have a perfect line art. Rule 3: Value contrast, black and white magic. Since we are making manga, we don't have the luxury of using bright neon colors to make our characters stand out. We live in a black and white world of pure ink,
Next time
screaming
you
white
need
space,
video
and
on which
gray
topic,
screen
please
tones.
comment
This
down below.
means you need
Thank you.
value contrast. If your character has pitch black hair, give them a lighter shirt. If they have a pale complexion and white hair, slam a dark hoodie on them. Look at what I'm doing here. I here made the character in such a way that it values white and black both. The final reveal and outro. And there we have it. A character that doesn't look like a carbon copy of every generic fantasy protagonist out there. They have a recognizable silhouette, their clothes actually obey gravity, and my drawing hand isn't completely broken. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe.